Welcome to the Exchange Daily. If you didn't catch the Exchange Daily last week, we've got a brand new format. Each day from Monday through Saturday, we will focus on one of the 6 pillars of Matora Solutions' Policy-Aware Validation and Estimation Framework, otherwise known as PAVE. This structure helps us deliver targeted, high-impact intelligence aligned with how federal and enterprise leaders actually evaluate and validate major IT, cyber, and acquisition investments under the FY 2026 NDAA. The weekly lineup runs as follows. Monday covers Pillar A on mission alignment and business outcomes. Tuesday focuses on Pillar B policy and compliance. Wednesday addresses Pillar C cost financial benchmarking and workforce. Thursday covers Pillar D technical viability and architecture. Friday is Pillar E user experience and human systems integration. And Saturday wraps the week with Pillar F security and risk. Today we are covering Pillar B policy and compliance. There's a new development as the Revolutionary FAR Overhaul is now actively underway. As of June 2026, the Office of Federal Procurement Policy and the FAR Council are issuing class deviations on a rolling basis to streamline the FAR, return it to statutory roots, and remove most non-statutory rules. This is the most significant rewrite of federal procurement regulations in over 40 years and is already affecting how agencies draft solicitations and evaluate proposals. Section 812 of the FY 2026 NDAA shifts Department of Defense purchases under the GSA Multiple Award Schedule to a strict best value standard. Evaluators must now prioritize mission outcomes, capability durability, and long-term sustainment, rather than simply selecting the lowest-priced offer. For cyber and AI modernization efforts, this means proposals must clearly articulate measurable on transformation to remain competitive on GSA schedules. Section 875 introduces new DFARS procedures that allow contracting officers to withhold up to 5% of contract payments from incumbent contractors who file frivolous GAO bid protests on follow-on awards. This change raises the financial cost of protest as delay tactics and is prompting both incumbents and new entrants to recalculate protest risk into their pricing and transition strategies. Section 814 requires more accurate reflection of contractor cost risk when negotiating profit on undefinitized contractual actions. Programs that have historically used UCAs to accelerate cyber capability delivery must now produce tighter cost realism models earlier in the process to avoid future margin compression and audit exposure. Federal policy is also placing new emphasis on truth-seeking and ideological neutrality validation for AI systems used for decision support. Agencies and contractors must establish documented processes to address bias, hallucination, and partisan output risks before deployment. This requirement is becoming a contractual expectation as the broader acquisition rules continue to evolve. The combination of the active FAR overhaul, the NDAA's best value and protest reforms, and emerging AI governance standards sends a clear message. Compliance alone is no longer enough. Proposals and systems must demonstrably advance mission outcomes while meeting higher standards for governance and truth-seeking. That's the Exchange for today. Remember, guesswork isn't a strategy. We'll see you next time for the 5 minutes that secure your next 24 hours. The Exchange newscasts and newsletters are productions of Matora Solutions LLC. Matora is both a hub zone and a service-disabled veteran-owned small business. While every effort is made to keep details accurate as of publication time, readers and listeners should always confirm time-sensitive items such as policy changes, budget figures, and timelines directly with official documents and briefings. The Exchange is for informational purposes only. It does not constitute legal, investment, procurement, security, compliance, technical, or any other form of professional advice. No attorney-client, advisor-client, or other professional relationship is created by listening to or reading this content. Always consult qualified professionals and validate with primary sources before taking any action. All information is from publicly available sources. All rights reserved. Copyright Matora Solutions LLC 2026.